2K. Okay, if they can retro these, then there's a chance for next year we're gonna get those. So with all that said, as you can see right here, let's take a look at these babies right now. These are actually very, very good. I like these. I like these a lot. We're gonna check these things out today, right now. But first, Nike, hold on. If you're watching this video, y'all, first and foremost, hit the like button, for real. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe. Nike, please, next year, can we get the Gamma 11s? Get the Gamma 11s. Yo, if you're watching this video, tag Nike for me, for real. Tag Nike for me, because the Gamma 11s, please, next year. I love these. I do. And then we're gonna go into them, but please, let's get the Gamma 11s for 2024. Let's go, guys. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid, Nefra. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you're having a very, very, very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, as you can see the backdrop, we are looking at, yes, I'm bringing y'all another sneaker review, and the sneaker that we're taking a look at today is from the brand with the swoosh Nike and the Jumpman Jordan brand, on a pair of a holiday silhouette they bring every single holiday, and this holiday is no different. We're taking a look at the Air Jordan 11, but this time they brought back a blast from the past, and they decided to give us a retro of the DMP. Now, I know they're calling them gratitudes, but if you know your sneaker history, they the DMP. So without further ado, we're going to be diving into these together. I've actually already seen them, not these per se, but I've seen the ones when I went to a sneaker event. But I said, no, I need to actually get my pair, that way I can review it in the studio for the family. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and give you guys your kudos, and from there we're going to dive into actually checking out the gratitude 11s. Let's take a look at it. Okay, slow down first and foremost. Before we even advance into the video, I just want to go ahead and say thank you guys for all the love and the support that you show me, you show the channel. This year has been a tremendous year, seriously. There have been a lot of ups and downs, but you guys have been honestly staying consistent with my videos, and I really appreciate it. So I want you to know from the bottom of my heart, I thank you guys just so much. I'm trying to different, you know, if you follow me on my other channel as well, I'm trying different like contents from here and there, from like gaming reactions to, you know, different like streams. So I just greatly appreciate all the love, like seriously. It means more than you know. Also, if you do want to be featured in any of the comments like you see right here, all you got to do is legitimately just comment. Let me know how your day is going. I know right now we're getting ready to go into tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so let me know what you got on your plate. You got any macaroni? Do you got any turkey? You got any ham? Let me know. That way for future videos you can see yourself right here. So thank you guys so much. With that said, normally I always try to do like matching headbands, but because we got the flannel on today and you know I got a different attire, there's not going to be a headband, but in the future video there definitely will be. So we're going to just roll with it today. I'm really excited. These came yesterday. I was going to like do a video last night. I decided not to. So let's go straight into it right now. So I did go ahead and hit on the shock drop. Thank you, Nike, for blessing me. One thing we do got to talk about, and we'll get into it as we unbox these right now. Nike. I know inflation's high. I get it. I know inflation's going up. The economy's going up. But man, $230 for these? Really? Y'all gotta do a little better. And the reason why I say a little better is because if we're gonna be paying these prices, I kind of want them to have like more packaging, more like, you know, I remember if the shoe tree used to be plastic, they're giving us just like paper. Like, Nike, I love it, but you gotta just really go ahead and go the extra mile, just as we're willing to go the extra mile to pay for these shoes that we really don't want to pay for. But as you see right here, this is the box. Oh, the top's a little damaged. The UPS try getting me? Maybe so. So as you see right here, this is the DMP Air Jordan 11 gratitude box right there. You do got a gold Jumpman right in there. It's a little broken into. I think the UPS tried getting me. But as we go ahead and look to the size description as well, oops, excuse me, right there. Before we look at that, you look around the box as well. It has a gold 23, and then you go onto the other side of it, it's all black, and then you do get hit with your size description. And I like how it kind of looks like that slide out box and it has a gold ring right there, which kind of like pays that symbol to like DMP. And then you do got your side description. Let's go ahead and read that right now. So side description does go ahead and read: Air Jordan 11 Retro. We got white, metallic, gold, black. I did go ahead and get 11.5. This year, I decided to go up a half size on my Air Jordan 11s, just because the 11s, they fit good, but I just wanted some extra room, you know? I really did. So also the SKU code is CT801217 and I'm gonna pan that so you guys can see. There it is. So without further ado, let's dive into these Gratitude 11s. So as we go ahead and pull up the box right here, let's go ahead and do it in 3, 2, and uno. We pull it up like that, as you can see. Ooh, there's writing on it, and the writing does say, it's hard for me to honestly make that out. I cannot see, I can't make it out what it's on. If you, let me show you guys, if you can make that out for me, put it in the comments. I would greatly appreciate that. I would greatly appreciate that, for real. And then we get more, we also get some tissue paper, and the tissue paper does say gracias, it does say grazie. Oh, that's cool. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it's like thank you in all the different languages. That's actually kind of, yeah, thank you. Yep, gracias, grazie. Yeah, that's it. That's pretty clean. So as we go ahead and pull off the tissue paper, we're gonna get greeted with the shoes in 3, 2, and 1. There it is. There you go right there. The DMP 11. You know, I've actually never had these. I've never ever had these. The closest I got to this color in particular is the Concords, which I'm gonna say is the best Air Jordan 11 of all time, honestly. But the DMPs, I've never ever had, so I'm very happy to have had these. And if you weren't able to hit on the shock drop, don't worry, there'll be more pairs. And if you do pass on them, then you pass on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick out the other one right here. Let's go ahead and put these down and let's go straight away into the review. Okay, boom, here we go. Right here, we got the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude, or DMPs, will be DMPs to me. And these are looking very phenomenal. These are looking very nice. We love these. We love the no icy bottom. They kind of went with a milk bottom, but it's still really nice. What should we want to review? Do you want to review the left side, or do you want to review the right side? I feel like the left is, I feel like I always like the left. I think I like the left because you can see right here and you can see the backdrop too. So we're going with the left. I'm gonna put this right here so you can still see. Oh, I love the patent leather on it. It looks very nice, especially with the ring light action. So looking at the front of it right here, as you can see, you do get your Air Jordan 11. As you look at the bottom of the outsole, you do get hit with a kind of a milky bottom. You do still have that translucent outsole that they still decide to go ahead and go with, and I do love that. You got your carbon fiber hit right there, and then as you go ahead, you do have your Jumpman right there with your black track pads on the bottom. Love that. As you come up, you get hit with more of that high patent leather that they've decided to give us with for the past couple of releases they've done with 11s. Love that, absolutely. Goes all the way around. Then as you come up even more, you get hit with one of my, I think probably my favorite touch is the gold Jumpman right there. And if you go and look in the back, you do have a 23, which is done in gold as well. As you come up as well to the laces right here, I love how they decide to kind of go with a tumble leather for the actual the upper right there. I love that a lot. Looking at the laces right there, you get your regular all white bungee cord laces, which look very clean. As we go ahead and take out the shoe tree right there, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up the back of it right there. You get the tag, and it does go ahead and say quality basketball product created in gratitude by the greatest player ever. Like how they went ahead and called them, they said gratitude in there because these are called the gratitude. I like that. As you look in here, you also can see a gold 23 in there. Like I did go ahead and say, I got an 11.5. This year, I've decided to go up in my Air Jordan 11s just because I kind of like how the fitting is. I've tried these on, not this per se, but another pair in 11.5, and the fitting was just a lot. I just had a little bit more comfort. The 11 works too, but I think going up, the way the shoe is built and designed, going up a half size won't hurt you. It really won't. So there we go right here. We got the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude, baby. Honestly, love these a a lot. Like I said, retail price was $230 for these things, so they definitely smacked this in the face with this one for real. You know, the way the economy is, everything's going up. Like seriously, everything is going up, and it's getting sickening. So honestly, I'm gonna be real, I love my 11s to the core, but I really do kind of want them to go back to that base price for real, man. That good old 220 days, man. Like for real, I'm cool with that. But at 225, 230, soon we're gonna be at 250 before we know it. But with all that said, guys, I greatly do appreciate all the love and support that you guys have shown me. I really greatly appreciate it. It means no, I do not take it for granted. I'm gonna go ahead and cut away to an on-feet review, but before I go even and do that, I just want to give you guys a closer perspective. That way, if you are on the fence of wanting to pick these up come the December 9th, and if Nike decides to do more like EA or different shock drops, which I don't think they'll do shock drops, but more EA, then this review, if you're watching this, can help you with said purchase. So let's check it out together, right? So as you see right here, DMP11 Gratitude. I like these, man. I really do. If you weren't able to go ahead and scoop yourself up a pair of the Concords back in the day, I truly got to say this is the next best thing. It really, you get the gold hits right there. You get the 23 on the back. You get the high patent leather, which is really, really beautiful. You're not going wrong with these. And I honestly think these are definitely going to go ahead and sell for sure. It's an 11. The colorway is really nice. It mimics, like I said, a little bit of the Concord 11. However, this is its own shoe in itself, though. You know, it has its own history behind it. It has its own, you know, origin and all of that. But this is definitely a heater of a shoe. So comment down below and really let me know what you decide when it comes to these DMP 11s. Are you going for them? Are you not going for them? Are you gonna pass? Are you waiting for them to go on, I don't know, sale, which I don't think 11s will, but let me know down below, because it really, really means a lot to me, y'all. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm going to go ahead and cut way to the on feet portion right now. Thank you guys so much. Seriously, it means a lot to me. I'm gonna try to get this video up as fast as I possibly can. I'm gonna try to do it maybe by today. I just have a lot of stuff going on my plate. So if you do see this video, leave it a like. For real, go ahead and subscribe. That way I can go ahead and more videos that drop, you guys can be alerted and notified. So this has been your boy, this has been your kid, Neff, right? This has been the DMP 11 review. Hope you appreciate the video, I really do. And with all that said, I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace, y'all.